gonna cut probably about a 4-foot piece off of this. Good dirt. I'll probably put it in my compost pile. Entrance right here. Entrance right there. Here we go! Today we're gonna make another log beehive. I'm gonna use this log right here. We're actually gonna cut this one in half and probably make 2 out of this one. But instead of cutting out the center with a chainsaw, I'm gonna try burning out the center. I'm gonna start a fire in this hollow and let it burn out. Put it out with some water and make the cavity bigger. We're gonna cut probably about a 4-foot piece off of this. That cut now, gotta get the farm all going and drag it out of here. I can't lift that thing up by hand. All right, well, we got that one out. I'm gonna bring that one back down to my house. I'm gonna come back up, grab this one here, burn them both out at the same time. There's log number 1 down, so going up the driveway here, I decided to come take a look at my active log beehive. Just got bees in it in the last, I did that probably what, 3 days ago now. They are coming and going. Yep, so we got both my logs down here, and now we're gonna go get some birch bark, and we'll knock out some of the stuff by hand, whatever I can, some of this loose stuff, and stand them upright and make it so air can get underneath it and start a fire inside of them. So I think I'm gonna put one of them log beehives once I get it all made. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere, right on the edge of this pond. So here's my birch bark scraps. Some of it's actually pretty good. Grab a big old bundle of these and bring them home. That's what we'll use in our fire. We'll get some birch bark and some slab wood to burn here. Now I'm going to use a bar and try to poke out some of the center there, just enough so I can throw some bark up through there. See some good dirt. I'll probably put it in my compost pile. Alright, now we're going to try to stand these up. I can't stand them up by hand. Oh, just too much, so I'm going to use tractor. Now I'm going to take one of these rocks I grabbed a little bit ago. I'm going to put it right underneath here to get air ventilation. Yeah, I'll give them a little bit of air. I want to keep these straight. If I lit a fire now, I think it would be trying to burn this side more than that side. So yeah. I'm gonna take some of this bark and try to shove it down in there. That freaking birch bark puts out some black smoke, don't it? some wood in there now. Whew. Burning pretty good now. All right, we're gonna try to get this other one going now too, right now. I don't know if it's gonna burn itself down or not. I poked the stick down through, it does go down, but is it still going? I can't see. So we're just gonna start a fire on the top of this one. The other one's still going. I think I gotta put a little more bark to it. Yeah. Yeah, this one's going. Stuff some cedar in there. But I was worrying it is going to burn over that side way more, so I'm going to probably use this bigger rock and try to push it up even higher. Pretty cool, some of the old ant holes or worm holes are smoking. Yeah, now they cleaned out all the stuff from underneath there. This thing is going awesome now. I'm gonna push it this way. Oh. There. Now I can clean it out a little better. Get a good draft like that other one. Yeah, we gotta get this stuff out of here. It's pretty hot, but I'm gonna try to poke it down with a stick. Try to scoop out the stuff from underneath. Try to make a draft. Yep, that one's going awesome. Other than it's still burning over that other side too much. So look at the smoke now off any of the old holes. That one's working awesome. This one I'm still gotta get lit. And just clean out all the stuff underneath. Yeah, those other ones burning way too much on this side, so I'm gonna try to pour a little bit of water on this side. Back and throw it down in there. Just gotta keep dumping water on this side every now and then. Trying to keep this side from burning through. I'm gonna have this one done before I even get this one to light good. Just isn't cooperating. Getting draft now though, so it should go. This one is going beautiful. Looking inside there, I think I'm almost done. That's hollowed out pretty good. I'm gonna scrape off some of this up here. Yeah, I didn't realize it was already that far into it. Definitely done. It's plenty of a hollow in there. So what I'm going to do is take the rocks out from underneath it here, so it has no more ventilation, and dump some water inside there. Some more water. Well, we're still working on getting this one going good. Just was so punky and wet in the center that just didn't want to go. It's trying to now. It's about to burst into flames there. And this one here I'd say is all done. Finally getting some flamage on this one. About 2 hours later. So we're just gonna leave it be for a while, go do some other things, we'll come back, check on it. Well, I just got back and I'd say this one's definitely done. Look at that hollow down in there. Worked out good. This is the other one. Yeah, that's gonna be plenty of a hollow. That's probably 13 inches wide, maybe 14 inches wide. Same with this one getting down in there. We're gonna scrape this down with the shovel real quick and we'll let it go for a second longer, and then start getting some water and put it out. I'm going to dump a little water inside this thing. I think I'm going to call that good. I feel like it's burning too far out to the side over here. Pour too long, it's going to be out the side. I'm just going to call that good. That came out pretty cool. I'm gonna try to set this down without letting it fall down hard. There. That's one. Nice. No, that'll work pretty good. Bees will be able to start some comb off of these little nubs. Same with this one. This one's kind of shaped a little differently. This side still was awful punky and crappy, but the upper side was burnt through quite a ways. Yeah, right here was getting pretty thin. So looks like we'll get another bucket of water. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna let these dry out right here for a couple weeks, and wish I had more of these big hollow pines like that. That was fun today, making these. Alright, today we're gonna go set up my 2 burnt logs here on the property, get them ready for the bees. Alright, we're gonna try to cut some cookies off of this big pine log here, top and bottom, on them 2 burnt logs. So we're gonna cut probably like 4-inch cookies or so off of it. Pumpkin patch is doing good. Alright, I'm going to put one of these log hives right here next to my pond in the field. There, so this is where I'm going to put this second one. It's right here, it's alongside of my driveway. Sugar shack's right over there. Make the syrup here, so it'll be cool to watch the bees coming and going as I'm coming and going. Don't look bad right there. I'm gonna see if I can roll this log into the bucket instead of chaining it up. Day, we're going to grab this other log and put it in the bucket and bring it up by the pond there. I'll put that. Yep, staying. That's where we want to put it. Alright, before I flip it up, I'm going to try to make 3 notches with the chainsaw. Just cut down into the log in 3 spots. Both top and bottom for vents. Put these pieces of foundation in there. Get some hard plastic empty foundation. Just something for them to start on if they wanted to. These ones I'm not cleaning out the charcoal on the inside. I don't know if it's going to deter bees or be good. I don't know. I'm willing to try. Doesn't hurt to try. If they don't move in, flip it over. Kind of hollow it out better if I can. Got it. Wow, that is rugged. Yeah, don't look bad. So, wish I had bigger trees. If I had a bigger tree, I could cut a different cookie down there, but I don't have anything bigger than this tree. So, There it is. Got an exit. Entrance right here. Entrance right there. Some air vent. Some good ventilation. And I'm going to throw that cookie on top. And before I throw a cookie on top, I'm actually going to put some lemongrass oil in there. Yeah, I wish I had a bigger cookie for the top too. Down to our second log there. Cut the entrance and make some vent holes. Lemongrass oil here. Hopefully I can catch some bees, or it'll probably be next year before I split one of my actual box hives and put some bees in these. So, or have a swarm move in. Maybe one of mine will swarm that I won't be able to catch or something. Well, thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned. In the future we'll show you a video putting some bees in these 2 log hives.